This video shows you how to customize main calendar view in BMC Helix ITSM, and how to do field mapping for filters for newly added ticket types. Before we begin, let's quickly see what views are available for calendar customizations. From the main menu of BMC Helix ITSM, click Configuration, and then click Innovation Studio Configuration. In the Manage Views screen, you can see all the views that are available out of the box. Main calendar view, as the name suggests, is used for all the customizations related to main calendar, like show sidebar, and enable collision detection. Change calendar view is used for similar customizations for the change calendar. Then, we also have these quick views. Quick views are the popover views for all the out-of-the-box ticket types. To customize any of these views, you must first create a copy of the default view. Now, let's see how to customize the main calendar view. Copy the default view. Enter a name for the copied view, and click Copy. And then click the Activate button. After you click the Activate button, the calendar uses this new view. Click Edit to edit this copied view. Click the calendar component. Here, you can choose if you want to show or hide sidebar, or if you want to open sidebar on launch. You can enable or disable collision detection. You can select start day of the week for your calendar. You can use 24 hours time format for the day view. The page size is the number of tickets that are first displayed in the calendar. You can view more tickets as you scroll down. You can choose to sort filters alphabetically. Note that the ticket type filter always appears on the top, irrespective of this selection. You can also do field mapping for filters. If you add a new ticket type to calendar, say for example work order, you must also map the work order fields for filters. Otherwise, you will not be able to see the work orders in calendar. To map the fields for filters, click Edit Filter Mappings. Under Selected Filters, click Data Provider ID. Click Edit Named Filter Options. Click Add Named Filter Option, and enter the filter option name as work order. Next, you must add a filter expression. If you select Enable Named Filter, the filter is selected by default when you open the calendar. Similarly, you need to map all the fields related to work order, and click Save. Click Save again to save the changes to the view definition. Now open the calendar in BMC Helix ITSM. You can see work order available as filter, and also displayed in the calendar. To add a custom ticket type to calendar, and to add a new calendar configuration, refer to the video links provided in the description section of this video. This way you can customize the main calendar view for your requirements. You can also refer to the documentation available in docs.bmc.com for further product information. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to BMC Docs YouTube channel.